Make me a video out of these images. Use a fade transition between the images. Each image should show for 15 seconds. And it's going to make you an incredible slideshow. Hey, it's Alan here, and I want to talk about Chat GPT Code Interpreter. It is a game changer. It's a game changer. And it's not about code. Yes, it writes Python code, but it's not about code. It's more about images now. It's a bit confusing because it's called Code Interpreter. It's not about code. So, what can it do? Well, this blew me away. And this is really, a lot of these things are just fun to do, and I'll get it to write you a letter and all. It seems incredible, and you're quite excited when you see it, but there's no real business. There's no real business applications later on, but a lot of these have real business applications. Like, for example, and this could be done already. Yes, I can get, a color dropper and get colors out of an image, but I can upload an image, let's say a logo image, for example. You're building a website, you're building an email, and the colors in the email have to complement the company colors, and the company don't have, documents with their colors or whatever, complementary colors. You can take the logo, you can upload the logo to Chat GPT, and yes, you can upload files. You can upload the logo to Chat GPT and say, go through this image, pull out all the three main colors out of the image, or two main colors, or whatever. The logo, there might be one or two colors. Pull out the main colors out of this image and give me a list of complementary colors. And ChatGPT will do it. And I'll show an image on the screen here, but also what you say is, show me those, give me a visual representation of those colors. And it's going to give you a visual representation of those colors straight away. This blew me away. Because this is when you're building anything, a brochure, a website, an email, whatever it happens to be, a landing page, you generally want to use the same colors. You want to use the company colors or very similar complementary colors. So, and you can also say, make sure these colors are accessible. They can be seen by, you work for colorblind people, whatever it happens to be. And it's going to give you the colors. It's going to give you colors so you can build out a website or a landing page or an email that looks good, and use complementary colors to the logo, and it's not all over the place like a ransom note. So that's real business application. Real business application. Now, there's lots of other things you can do with it. You can upload, for example, you can upload a zip file full of images. And there can be other things in the zip file. You can have other things in the zip file. It'll go through it and say, well, this folder has no images in it. This folder has images. I'm going to use the folder, the images in this folder, and I'm going to ignore the other folder. It's smart enough to know. So you can upload a zip file of images and say, make me a video out of these images. Use a fade transition between the images. Each image should show for 15 seconds. And it's going to make you an incredible slideshow, and say, here you go, here's the video, download your video. And you can say, yeah, put some text. I want this text on the image, I wanted this color, or I wanted a complementary color, or whatever, and it's going to create that video for you. Absolutely incredible. There is some limitations. For example, I uploaded a photo of myself. I uploaded my own photo, and I said, hi ChatGPT, could you make me more handsome? And ChatGPT said, I'm sorry, Alan, you're already handsome enough. There's limits to what AI can do at the moment. So there is some limitations. There is still some limitations. But what Code Interpreter can do is absolutely mind-blowing. So you need Plus for Code Interpreter. You need to have ChatGPT Plus. But if you go into your settings, you can turn it on. It's beta at the moment, but you can turn it on and play around with Code Interpreter. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And just to see where ChatGPT is going, every month there's a new feature that blows you away. Every month. So I cannot wait to see where this is going to end up. It's been out there. Just want to talk about ChatGPT Code Interpreter.